Hi guys, this is Sherry at Rick's Fabrication and Restoration. Wanted to talk to you today about a special car we have in the shop. One of our favorite customers, the Saunders. This is from their family from 1988. It has been a special car to them. It's been through their family with many of their family members. Happens to land with Ricky and Shanna Saunder. And he was actually telling me a little story about it yesterday. Super cute. His family owns a ranch, and when his parents would go to the ranch on the weekends, he would sneak out in the middle of the night, take this vehicle to the Irving drag strips, many drag strips in the area, drive the car, park the car, and father and mother never knew. So guys, the color of this car is actually autumn gold, often called harvest gold. It's an original manufacturing color. It is actually the reason why he chose this color was from a family photo. His parents had purchased a Chevelle back in 1970 when he was a young boy. And the photo just tied back memories of his family, who is not here anymore, but this car is. And so he wanted this car to be the same color as what his parents first had it as, which is why we are at the autumn gold color. Let's talk more about the car. So this is a 555 big block engine. It is on a 6-speed Tremec transmission. We've got a Wizard cooling radiator. We've got Ride-Tech suspension, Wilwood brakes, vintage air cooling system. I also want to show you a little bit of what it's going to ride on. So these are billet specialty wheels, specially made for this vehicle. This is how this car is going to cruise. So guys, the next phase of this process is to paint the SS racing stripes. We're using the color Vivid Black. The hood, the deck lid, as well as the wheel wells are carbon fiber. So it's going to be a beautiful addition that we add to this project. Those were purchased from Anvil Racing. We appreciate that.
Guys, you're not going to want to miss this, so stay tuned to see what's next.